Theorem number 3 we are going to be looking at now is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Remember, we've looked at two theorems already. Angles at center is twice angles at circumference, and angles on the same segment of a circle are equal. Now here we'll be looking at opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. A cyclic quadrilateral is a four-sided figure in which all the ends are touching the circle. You see, this is a four-sided figure. That's a quadrilateral. This end is on the circle, this end is on the circle, this on the circle, this on the circle. That makes it a cyclic quadrilateral. If by chance we have a circle and we have a quadrilateral and one end is hanging, then it is no longer a cyclic quadrilateral. This is not a cyclic quadrilateral because this end is not on the circle. Now, in a cyclic quadrilateral, when you add the opposite angles, you get 180. And that is just it. So we prepared some questions here. Once you notice, look at question 1. It's a cyclic quadrilateral. All the ends are on the circle. That means x plus 60 equal to 180. It means x is definitely 120. If you look at question number 2, it's a cyclic quadrilateral because all the ends are touching the circle. That means these opposite ones, 2y and 100, will give you 180. That means y must be 40 because 40 times 2 is 80 and 80 plus 100 is 180. Look at question number 3. They want you to find the value of x, but x is outside the quadrilateral. Now this is the quadrilateral. That means from this 80 here, we can get this place. Let's call this place A. If we call here A, we can tell that A is 100 since it's they are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So A is 180 minus 80, which is 100. And if A is 100, then x and A are angles on a straight line. That means x is 180 minus A, which is 180 minus 100. That means x is going to be 80. And this one looks confusing because it doesn't look like it covered the circle like the other ones. It's from the diameter, but it's still a cyclic quadrilateral because all the ends are on the circle. Look at the four ends of the quadrilateral on the circle. So it's still a cyclic quadrilateral. And by so doing, we can say y plus 40 equal to 180. That means y is 180 minus 40, which is 140. Thank you.